Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What is going, lovely people? Today, I am actually getting ready for a little friendship date. I met this woman at the Juneteenth event, so a couple months ago, and we hit it off. We had great conversation, and she was just a whole vibe for me. So we had chatted, and we was like, we should go to the museum or do something sometime. And y'all, we actually did it. It is, what is this? We're in July, like the last weekend of July, and we made something shake. So we plan to go to the farmer's market and to the museum. And this is me getting ready. I wasn't nervous per se, but this is the first time I've actually hung out with someone that I don't know from college, that I don't know from high school, and that I'm not in the military with. So, y'all, I got up early. I took a shower. I didn't even make me breakfast. I had a little strip of bacon from yesterday. I ate on the way to Santa Barbara, but it was a good time. So this video is just me doing my hair. I did not know what I wanted to do, and I actually came up with something pretty cool, neat, and something that I've never done before, but I'm pretty sure y'all probably have seen this style or something similar. Yeah, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do. You're probably going to see me here and just sit and think for a second. But yeah, hairstyle came out cute, y'all. And I really did enjoy myself out this day. And we had lunch. Great conversation all around. Making adult friends is definitely different. It can be a challenge for someone, but I don't know. Right place, right time. You spark up a conversation with somebody. Go out, do something. Make these adult friends. Yeah, that's all I have to say right now. So enjoy this video, y'all. I'm going to stop talking now. I may come back and say a few words. Who knows? Y'all, we almost at 1,000 followers or subscribers. Go ahead and tell your friend and your cousin to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So y'all, I definitely needed some bobby pins for these little flyaways you see. But the bobby pins that I have are the ones that are closed, if you know what I'm talking about. It's like just your average bobby pin. But for those of us with locks, especially these thicker babies, y'all, these types of bobby pins can't do nothing for us. Like at all. But these are what I found in my bathroom. Why do I have them? I don't even know. Look at me, struggling. Struggling. You hear me? But I found my open bobby pins, and these are the ones we need to have, y'all. I need to get the bigger ones. I need to have the smaller ones. I need open bobby pins, and so do you. And I know some of y'all are master tuckers with like your flyaway locks and stuff like that. You know, if I had more time and actually knew what style I was going for, I could have tucked a few more of these locks than using. I think I end up using 4 bobby pins altogether, but there's nothing wrong with having to use bobby pins. But if you can tuck them, tuck them. So here we have the final look. Y'all, this came out super cute, especially since I had no idea of what I was going to do to my head. Definitely something different for me. Like, I've never done anything like this. Well, yeah. I've done my half up, half down, but I never done like a bun or whatever you want to call this like this. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You have a fabulous week. And yeah, there's a couple more flyaways I could have tucked in or used them bobby pins for, but whatevs. Peace.